Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's workshop, we will show you how Pandora FMS Update Manager works. We at Pandora FMS are committed to make the experience of using Pandora FMS better and more intuitive. That's why we carry out rigorous updates that helps us to improve the monitoring and usability of the user. The Update Manager is the Pandora FMS tool that helps us to implement the improvements of the product in an easy way, whether our environment is online or offline. The traditional way to update the Pandora FMS console and server is through packages. This used to require accessing the console of our server and doing the process manually. But thanks to the improvements of the Update Manager, all the management can be done from the console menu. Thanks to this, we can say the Update Manager is ideal to run our updates in a simple way. Therefore, we are going to see and explain each of the options. To begin with, we go to the Pandora FMS console to the left menu, and in the lower part, we open the drop-down menu of the Update Manager options. There, we can see the 4 available options. In the Update Manager offline section, we will be able to upload the update packages that we have downloaded from the support page. This is useful because it doesn't require to have the console registered to access the update packages that are in the Update Manager online section. With this first method, we will simply need to have the packages to use in our environment. To do this, simply drag the package over the box that appears in the middle of the screen or press the green button to search for it through the File Manager. Once the upload of the compressed file has been completed, it will show the files included within it. Then we can click on the package box to proceed with the update process. If we need to apply a patch, we will introduce the package containing the patch in the same way and then apply it. The Update Manager online option allows us to manage the updates without the need to have the files to upload, since it will connect to our servers to obtain the data it needs to perform the necessary updates on your node. The first thing we have to do is to register an email account to allow the use of the manager. Once the email account is entered, click on Accept and we will see the update options. Click on the one we need and that's it, the update process begins. In the Update Manager Options section, we can configure some options to use in the updates. It is advisable to leave the options by default, but we can always modify them if we need it. In the Warp Update URL bar, we can see the address to which the Update Manager online connects when it looks for the resources it needs. The Use Secure Warp Update section uses encryptions for the data. The proxy options are useful if you want to make use of a proxy server. The Allow Non-Consecutive Patches option allows installing non-consecutive updates. This option is disabled by default. The last option, Limit to LTS Updates, allows us to update only to the most supported versions, that is, the stable ones. We can also see the Update Manager online registration ID, and in the Cancel the Registration option, we can cancel it. Once we have our options properly configured, just click on Update. The last section, called Update Manager Journal, allows us to know the performed updates, version, date and time of application, user who requested and applied it, etc. This is very useful to keep track of all the Update Manager activity. With this management process, we will be able to have our updates just a click away. And this is the end of today's workshop. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you can contact us to get a 30 days free trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social networks.